Today we'll start with Vrikshasana, the tree pose. To get into the tree pose, transfer your weight over to the left side, reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose. Press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body. If you're not able to take your heel closer to the groin, start placing your heel closer to your knee, keeping the right hip joint externally rotating, and then slowly come up as you maintain your balance. It improves balance and stability in the legs, strengthens ligaments and tendon of the feet, assists the body in establishing pelvic stability, strengthens the bones of hips and legs. Today we're gonna see Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. To get into the pose, step out with the right foot to 90 degrees, taking at least 4 feet distance apart, and your left foot approximately 45 degrees, slightly inside. Inhale, bend inside your right hip joint, hold your right big toe with your right hand and extending your left arm straight up towards the sky. Gaze up softly at your left hand. Hold this pose for 3 to 6 slow and deep breaths. To come out, inhale and press your back heel strongly into the floor. Repeat to the left for the same length and time. Reach out to the right big toe as much as you can with each inhale and exhale. The key is to make your pelvis neutral and be comfortable wherever you are in the asana. Advantages of Utthita Trikonasana. It strengthens your legs, your feet, ankle, your hips and your back. Therapeutic for stress and anxiety. It relieves your back ache, especially during pregnancy. Today we're gonna see Utthita Konasana. To get into the asana, step out with the right foot to 90 degrees, taking at least 4 to 5 distance apart and your left foot slightly inside. Keep the pelvis neutral. As you exhale, lean into the right hip joint, making your thigh parallel to the floor. Take your right hand outside of your right foot. Roll your shoulder blade down the back, extending your arm over your head. Look at your left arm and hold this pose for at least 5 to 6 slow and deep breaths. And to come out, inhale and press your back heel strongly into the floor and repeat to the left for the same length and time. If you can't reach to the floor with your right hand, you can press your fingertips to the floor and go to the asana. Pose teaches you how to stabilize your legs while you open and expand the sides of your rib cage. It also strengthens and tones your muscles.